A fruit seller sold 23 more apples in the morning than in the afternoon, and 75 fewer apples in the morning than in the evening. A total of 271 apples were sold that day. How many apples were sold in the evening? Now let's first extract all the important information. So he sold 25 more apples in the morning than in the afternoon, and 75 fewer apples in the morning than in the evening, and he sold a total of 271 apples for the whole day. So the question asks, how many apples were sold in the evening? So they are asking for the number of apples sold in the evening. So let's start off by drawing the model. Okay, so 23 more apples in the morning than in the afternoon tells us that when we draw the model, the bar for the morning number of apples in the morning will be longer than the one in the afternoon. Okay, so I'm going to draw for morning. And for afternoon, it will be a shorter bar. And the difference here is 23. The next information, 75 fewer apples in the morning than in the evening. So now they are comparing morning and evening. So 75 fewer apples. So what we do is, since they are comparing morning and evening, we'll put evening on top of morning. Okay, the bar we'll put on top. So it will look something like this. So since morning is fewer, which means evening bar will be longer. So I'm going to draw like this. And in this case, it's 75 more apples in the evening, correct? Now, and they also say that a total of 271 apples were sold that day. So the total is over here. How many apples were sold in the evening? So what they want to know is over here. The question mark will be over here. So I'm going to put everything down. Okay, so right now I have represented the question with a model. So with this model, we can examine the model and decide how to go about solving the question. So if you look at the model with me now, you will see that over here, it will be 23 too, correct? Which means that this portion here, these three parts here are equal parts, correct? So we need to find what is one equal part. So we'll take 271 minus 23 minus 23 minus 75. We should get 150. So we know there are three equal parts here, or you can call it 3 units. It's 150. So we will be able to find 1 unit by taking 150 divided by 3, get 50. So which means over here is 50, 50, 50, correct? So how many apples were sold in the evening? So if you look at evening, it will be a total of 50 plus 23 plus 75, which gives you 148 apples.